Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fakisha, and in this video we will be simulating our traffic light system that is made on assembly language, and we are using ATmega 328B microcontroller. So first of all, we will run the simulation. So here you can see this one is green and other are red. So the delay of 15 seconds has been given in this system. So you can see as the 15 seconds are completed, the other is yellow and now it is green, and this previous one is red now. So as with the passage of time, this will shift back to yellow and then red, and this is now green and then this is yellow, sorry, yellow and now it is green. Now it's back to yellow, red. This is now yellow, that's now green. So in this way, this is a one complete cycle. So here, if I pause it and move toward our program path, so here is our program. So here we have made um, jump function, a delay function. So which we are calling again and again, call delay, so that we can create a time difference in the signals. So if I go above, we have start over here, and we have loaded um, all 8-bit high signal to our 16 register, and then we have given this to our port P and port D as output. So in this way, we have given DDR to B and DDR-D to our 16 high signals, and then we have given port B and port D and port B, and we have taken the outputs from here, and then we have taken called our delay function. So in this way, this is our program, and this is the simulation of it. So that was it from this video. Thank you very much for watching.